Smells so
Why
good.
do you smell everything?
Because that's how you cook good. Is you smell things and you taste things.
You think the smell has changed in that bottle since you opened it yesterday?
Hey. Today we are going to use some leftover pork butt. We're going to make a barbecue pizza.
Sweet.
Which is super easy to do. You guys may have seen our margarita pizza video, but if not, Jared will put a link in the description down below.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay. Well, then he'll put the thumbnail at the end of this video.
I can do that.
Click over and watch that on how we make the dough. But I had some that was in the freezer, which is nice about that dough. Is you can do about 6 dough balls at a time. If you only use like 2 or 3 of them, you can wrap the rest of them up and stick them in the freezer and they're good. All right, so here is...
That's your dough slap?
Yep. You want to wear a black shirt for this so you can get all the flour. Now you just start kind of stretching it out and shaping it.
Please throw that in the air.
Just want to stretch it till it's like kind of thin and about the size that you want it.
I'd call that a Domino's medium.
Got it to about the size that we want it. Already put a lot of flour on the pizza peel. Some people like to put cornmeal. KC Masterpieces.
The original.
The original. So barbecue sauce is going to be the pizza sauce here. All right, so all spread out. Then you hit it with some mozzarella. So you're gonna do a little bit of mozzarella. What makes this special is a little bit of smoked Gouda too. Yep. And then, I forgot to slice up the red onions.
Boom, magic.
Yeah. So then you're gonna take it, put some onions on there. All right, and then get you some, we'll give that to the dogs. Some kind of chunks of barbecue just thrown throughout.
Chunky shreds?
It's probably enough, don't you think?
Yeah.
So the last thing that we're gonna put on it before we throw it in the oven are some pickled jalapenos. And you wanna buy the ones that say, these are the hot ones. So before you throw it in the oven, you kinda wanna just stretch out the edges and make sure that nothing's really sticking there.
This is like, what you're doing here is the equivalent of when you pull little skinny jeans out of the dryer and they don't really fit well, so you gotta squat down.
I don't wear skinny jeans, I don't know.
I know, I'm asking for a friend.
Kinda shake it around like this, make sure that it's sliding. All right, so stone is on the top section. We've had this preheating to 555 convection for about 45 minutes.
Super slap. You did it.
Yeah. And then close this up, cut this off, and then put it on broil.
How long?
About 3-4 minutes.
Okay.
Not long. I think it is. It smells good. Taste with your nose
Keep
first, right?
smelling everything. Stop smelling everything.
Yeah. Oh.
Professional grade.
Yes.
Look at that.
Charred around the edges. Delicious.
Wow.
All right, before we eat it.
What, that took like what? Literally like 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Crispy.
Here,
Holy cow.
listen to this. Oh. So before we eat it, we're gonna top it with a little bit of cilantro.
See, that's
for that
weird to me.
extra special.
That's weird to me, but I'm into it.
Yeah, and then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of barbecue rub.
Okay.
Cilantro this time of year, when you see this right here, this little ferny bits,
Yeah?
that's bad.
Why?
That means that it's gone to seed.
No.
I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's what happens in my garden.
If
when
you
it goes
think
to
he's
seed.
wrong, comment in the never mind.
For that little extra.
I think I'm more into this than I thought I was gonna be.
Got some of that Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Shouts out to Malcolm. Have you ever had this, Jared?
What?
My barbecue pizza?
No. Oh, that looks really good.
All right, so barbecue pizza. I just tasted the pork. Go ahead. Super simple. Check out the margarita pizza video for the dough recipe. Barbecue sauce, mozzarella, some shredded Gouda, some red onions, some pickled jalapenos, some barbecue. Top it off with some cilantro and some barbecue rub when it comes out of the oven. Let's eat it. The 4-minute barbecue pizza. Wasted 4 minutes talking about it. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 Cilantro, right? Cilantro. Yeah. Not weird. That's the thing. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Did it. Yeah. Whoa.